Today in our lab for constructive and destructive forces, we are going to be looking at what happens when water pours over a landmass and then off of a cliff. So the question is, what forces create the delta?
You will need sand to do this experiment. You will also need gravel and small rocks. You will need more rocks, preferably big rocks, and a bucket with a drain. You'll need to arrange the sand on the side of the bucket that is not near the drain and then block it up with rocks. Once you do this, you are ready to begin the experiment. Hopefully when the water drains through the sand, it will go into the drain and you can begin.
All right, so here we have a large landmass and it's constructed mostly of sand, pebbles, gravel, sticks, and then we have a cliff here made of giant rocks. And I'm curious what is going to happen when I pour water slowly on top of this landmass. All right, this jug has little holes drilled in it, and when it comes out, the water comes out, it's going to represent rainfall on the landmass.
Pour water over your landmass for 1 whole minute.
So after a minute of light rain, we have a little bit of a delta forming, and you can see that some of the riverbed is starting to form and some of the rocks are moving too. Now my dad is going to turn on some superpower rain, also known as a water hose. All right, as you can see, we've got a nice little riverbed going on here, and the water's flowing right between these rocks. And we've had sand start to come out between these rocks right here. Okay, now we're going to measure the length of the delta that was created. We'll go from about here. All right, about 6 inches. All right, the width of the delta that was created is about 13 inches.